This free tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export a part of the audio track in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free. Okay, so assuming you have the audio track on the timeline below, in this case I have a bunch of sound effects. And let's say I want to export just one of the sound effect, not the whole audio track. So locate the part you want to export. We'll add a cut right here, and I'm going to add an in point and an out point. And I'm even going to click on to the loop the video just to make sure. Okay, that's perfect. If you don't have the loop option, click the plus icon right here, button editor, and then it's right here, loop. You can drag it on, but I already have it, and then click OK. Alright, so once you have the part of the audio you want to export, or you just want to export one part of the audio in Adobe Premiere Pro CC, click Ctrl+M on your keyboard, and then over here under format we have it under H.24, which is under format. You want to click the down and MP3 audio file, and then click down, and we have under these presets 256, and then click export. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.